Niger Falcons ended the first round with a 3-quarter. We have Coach Nash Masela, AJ Banza, and Cedric Manzano. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Coach Nash, from a quick 2-all stand-up in the second quarter, 16-3 run kayo, and you never look back. So, how decisive that plan para makapunan kayo and eventually manalo?
Malaking bagay yung mga ganun. First, a team like us, we play the bigger programs. Hindi pwede laging close games. Sometimes nga, we are up in the fourth quarter, nakakapot pa rin. No? So, yun ang target namin. No? As much as we can, we want to have a lead to ingredients. So, ngayon, nakatulong, we were able to manage it better compared to the previous games. Maybe it also helped that we had 19 free throws today. Very few times we get 19 free throws in a game. Saka yung gawa is one game. So, malaking bagay that we were able to get some fouls. They that also helped us, especially dun sa huli. Well, we'd like to take this chance to apologize to USC kasi nakasumot pa kami nung huli. But then, yung mga coaches and yung staff ng viewers. But yeah, I just want to apologize to them. I don't know, maybe kasi hindi ko alam, baka it might matter in the end. So sana man hindi nila nila sa nagagaling.
In the first round and against one of the top teams in Jersey. So, what can you say about your team's effort all throughout this game?
Para sa akin, team effort namin. First, ang team sport, like, hindi kami bumitaw. Yun lang yung natin. Nung first half ay after ng half time, dahil may kasama yung coach na he's been there before, he's been coaching for how many years na. So, hindi siya sa naranasan niya yung mga first half. Nalala sa amin na yun nga, gawin namin yung effort namin. Kasi syempre, mabawi yung first half. So yun ang inamin mo namin yung isa't isa. So,
one assist and plus 7. So yun na. 3-4 to end the first round at may chance kayo na makabalik ulit sa final four. So ano yung gagawin nyo para mag-sustain yung medyo ng panalo to? Lalo very crucial yung mga labanan sa second